Oh.
Well, the time has come. We're gonna build this thing.
What's the instructions on the bottom?
As you can tell, we're in the kitchen because hardwood floor. I don't want to do it static. The boy's telling me static's bad. All right, so we're just gonna start opening stuff. Get everything laid out and go from there.
So beautiful, yeah. It's only a dream.
Green. Alright, be right there. What happened, bud?
Quick snapshot of everything now that it's out of this case. So I got my old SSD that has my OS on there, so I'm gonna put that in my Movo as well. IQ, master, switch, whatever. Pretty much RGBs and fans are gonna go into there. Because I've already got 3 fans in the front. I got 3 more with the AIO right here. So yeah, fans, RGB, AIO, some fans, the Movo, CPU, all these cords, other things, my RAM, power supply. So like I said in the unboxing, it's getting no one nervous. Not going in as easy as God, I hope this isn't too boring.
What?
The video. She's making pizza. I feel like those plastic pieces are not supposed to be on there. I'm totally paying someone to build my next one if I get a new one. Totally.
Hold on for a long time.
Figured it out. Now I can get the other hard drive. Oh yeah. Fuck.
Oh, you go, listener. Come on, let's go.
Should be good.
It's bedtime. Let's go.
Can't praise this thing enough, guys. This thing is amazing. Okay, so RAM, CPU, SSDs. Time for the AIO. Let's go. fun fact, they're, depending on what cooler you have, AAO, whatnot, so my Corsair has an Intel backplate. Did not know that. Well, I found out after I put the Movo in. So I had to take it out and replace it, so we're all good right there. I went ahead, I don't know if I showed that or not, I can't remember. That's installed. Now we're gonna place the cooler on the CPU and go from there. I gotta let the GoPro charge for a little bit. So we'll be back soon. Alright, quick snapshot of the cooler being done. These clips are gonna be slightly smaller because it took too long in the beginning, but there she is. She's gonna look beautiful when she's loaded up. So alright, so from here, what's the next step? Yeah, so we're gonna wire everything. I'm gonna take the IQ panel, find a place to put it in here somewhere. I'm gonna take all of these, put it all into here, that way I can run all the RGBs at the same time. It's gonna be sweet. So I'm not gonna show that. I'm just going to show the after product, give the GoPro time to charge, because I can't afford anything else to the GoPro. But hey, that's what it is. Take some time. Hey, thumbs up, thumbs down. I don't care. I just like to comment. I like to feedback. Let me know how it is. If you like it so far, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you when the control panel's done. Yeah. So now we're on the power supply. Got everything put up here. I went ahead and put my video card in there already. I'm reusing my old one, that 2060 Super. So now we get to watch me struggle with all of this. Maybe I shouldn't have plugged all these in at the same time. Alright, we're just gonna roll with it. See, there's RGB in this thing, so it makes me think the fan goes up. But I don't know, maybe you guys can tell me up or down. I feel like it should go up, but then all this writing's like this, so it's like turns out. Let's get this GPU powered up. There's so many connectors. So this is probably gonna be the hardest part for me. I'm not gonna bore you guys with it. You guys probably already laughing at me. Anyways, it is what it is. I'm getting pretty tired, but I'm gonna do all the wiring. Try and pretty it up as much as I can. It should be the last thing. And then I'm not gonna show you the boot up process, but I will show you starting it up for the very first time and hoping it works. I'll see you guys the next step. All right, guys. Know all the wiring, and that was a huge pain. So I went ahead and turned on the power. So far, I mean, the Movo's lit up, but I haven't turned it on yet. So this is gonna be the moment of truth. You guys are gonna see it live with me. Let's see if this actually works. It's so pretty. Oh my god, there's so many lights. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the PC build. Sorry if the quality of the video is not that great or I'm just out of it. I was highly stressed last night because I've never built a PC, so I'm not electronically inclined. But I made it through. Had a few hiccups here and there with some fan speeds, but that's just because the iCUE component controller, whatever you call it, everything's all plugged into that. So with some help of my friends, everything's working good. I showed you guys last night what it looked like when it booted up, but last little shot during the day. It's actually kind of cool that those lights stay on. So just like the unboxing, I'll link everything in the description below of everything I got. There's one more addition. I know I said during the part unboxing video that I wasn't gonna install on the back here, but just because, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this extra fan in here. That way I have 4 pushing hot air and 3 pulling cold, because that's how I have it right now. Right now it's 3 and 3. I gotta take that out. Oops. Had a long discussion with some buddies about, you know, fan setup, like, because the way those fans are going.